Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be unboxing my March 2020 IPSY Glam Bag. So if you're not familiar with IPSY, it's a monthly beauty subscription. I pay about $12 a month for usually 5 deluxe samples. It's their 100th bag anniversary, and so they actually gave everyone an extra sample for March. So I get 6 samples from IPSY in my glam bag this month. So the theme this month is Celebrate You. This card includes information on all the products that you get and how to use them. So first we have the Cosmetic Bag for March. This one is really cute. It's got kind of studs on it. It's a beautiful teal color with kind of a yellow accent. I really like the size of the cosmetic bags and the glam bags. Each month you get one and I feel like they're just really handy kind of envelope style pouches. First we have the Complex Culture All Over Shadow Brush. You get to pick out one item each month and this was the item that I picked. I've received some other Complex Culture brushes from IPSY in the past, like this All Over Highlight brush, which I really like. So I was really excited to see when they offered this All Over Shadow Brush. The bristles just feel so nice on these, and they have biodegradable handles too, which is really cool. I think this will definitely be a new favorite for me, and I'm really excited to have this as part of my brush collection. Next we have the Wander Beauty eyeshadow in Bouquet. This looks like a really beautiful shimmer shade. It looks like a nice soft gold tone. I'm not usually a huge fan of standalone eyeshadows, but I'm actually excited about this shade. I feel like it's a really versatile shade that'll be a great topper for my neutral eyeshadows. Next we have the Hanalei Lip Balm in Island Mint. I'm happy to see that this is a cruelty-free and natural formula. It looks like it's made with a lot of organic ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and swipe this on my hand. It has a really nice kind of sweet peppermint scent. I'm going to wipe off my lip gloss really quick so I can try it out. This feels really nice on my lips. It's kind of like a Burt's Bees lip balm or something. It has a little bit of that kind of cooling effect. It feels really nice and hydrating, and I love how it has natural and organic ingredients. I actually do use lip balm a lot, so it's fun to have new ones to try through IPSY. Next we have the Girl Lactic Precise Eyeliner Marker. This one has a really nice long felt tip. Looks like you can create a pretty precise line with it. I'm excited to try this one out because it seems like it has kind of a unique longer felt tip. I think it'll really help with the liquid cat eye looks, and hopefully I'll be able to do them faster and with fewer mistakes. Next we have Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. This one is in the shade 01 or Black Beauty. It looks like it has a nice curved brush. I love the shape of this brush. I think it'll be really nice, especially for the inner corners. I'm already wearing mascara, so I'm not going to test this out just now, but I'm really looking forward to trying it out this week. If you've been enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Last but not least, we have the Foxy Bay Replenishing Hair Mask. This one's basically supposed to help heal your hair. It's supposed to detangle and smooth. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand here. It has a really nice scent to it. It's kind of a perfumey hair smell. A little bit sweet maybe, or fruity, I'm not quite sure. It feels really rich and hydrating. I think that'll be really nice to try on my hair. I hope my hair smells like this afterwards though, because this is a really nice smell. So that is it for my IPSY Glam Bag. This month I got one tool, which was this Complex Culture brush, 3 makeup items including an eyeshadow, a mascara, and a liquid eyeliner, 1 hair care item, which is this replenishing hair mask, and 1 skincare item, which is this lip balm. As always, it also came with a cosmetic bag as well. Before I go, I just wanted to show you a few add-on items I got as well. If you're not familiar with the add-on program, each month IPSY has about a 24-hour period where you can add items to your bag. Typically sample sizes are about $3 and full sizes are usually around $12 or $18. This month they gave everyone a $2 credit for an add-on, so a lot of people were able to get one add-on for only $1. This is pretty unusual. It was only a promotion for their celebration of their anniversary, but I still really like getting add-ons every month because $3 is usually really cheap for a deluxe sample or trial size of these products. So I got one full-size add-on, which is this Violet Voss Creme Brulee palette. It's a really pretty neutral palette that includes many warmer tones. This one normally retails for about $18, but as an add-on it was available through IPSY for $12. I was really excited about this palette because they look like really fun wearable shades. I haven't used a lot of Violet Voss products yet, and I've been wanting to try them out. So for only $12, this seemed like a really fun thing to try. Next I have Tata the Dewy Skin Cream. This was a sample size product for $3. However, it's quite a large sample, so I felt like that was a good value. It looks like there's quite a bit of product in here. It's almost full to the top. I'm just going to try out a little bit on my hand here. It has almost a light lavender color. It feels really nice on my hand. It seems to absorb really quickly and has kind of a silky, hydrating feel. I'm really excited to try this one out. I've heard a lot of really good things about it. I think the water cream is supposed to be a little more lightweight, and this dewy skin cream is a little bit more hydrating. I'll probably be testing this out soon as a night cream. Next we have the Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. I think this will be really fun to try out in my collection because I don't have a lot like this. I can definitely see some situations, especially something where I might use like a fan brush or another kind of lightweight brush, where it'll be really handy to have one like this. I've really been getting into Luxie brushes lately. They seem to be constructed really well and they have really nice soft bristles as well. I'm trying to switch all my makeup brushes over to vegan and synthetic, so it's really nice to be able to discover high quality brands through IPSY. This one was only $3, which is a great value for this brush. Next we have the Bell & Argent Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade Jealous of Us. This looks like a really beautiful reddish coral shade. I've been wanting to try more Bell & Argent products ever since I got the 3-Place lipstick in my last IPSY bag. This is a really beautiful kind of glittery reddish coral shade. I think it'll make a great topper. I love how this company is cruelty-free and vegan and has really nice packaging as well. So that's it for my March IPSY Glam Bag. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment and let me know if you'd like to try one of these products or if there's something you recommend instead. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.